So help me God.
There are people who came here with a very bad attitude, thinking Machakos is a place to make money. There are people who just want left, right, and center, kuiba, wezi, thieves, and I can assure you our wezi wanaenda. Take it to the bank. I find you doing corruption in Machakos County. I swear to God, you will go. Watu wamefikiria Machakos, I don't know what attitude was there in Machakos. Kama ni project, I'll give an example. I've spent less than 300 million to do more than 70 dams. Watu wanataka kwenda kuweka 40 million, 30 million kutengeneza dam moja, not in Machakos and not when I'm the governor. Not in Machakos and not when I'm the governor. We must have spent, even if, how do I say, any money we spend must have impact on our people. Give quality work. The bottom line here is quality work. And I'm putting all the ministers and the chief officers. I'm putting you guys on notice. I cannot give you work. Badala ya kwenda kusimamia engineer, your engineers are working all over the place. They are not even there checking the projects. If your workers are not working, you as a minister or chief officer will go home because you're not in control. You're not in control. I found it very difficult, myself, even forming committees, to go and check over work where I have people who should be checking the work. Kama ni barabara, kama ni maji, kama ni building, kila mtu afanye kazi yake. And let me tell you, sacking you, I will sack you. Don't give me your vote in 2027. Because I will not allow you to do the wrong thing.
Na